How to analyze data for stocks. Introduction. Analyzing stock data is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Many investors struggle with the complexity of data analysis, which involves not only understanding vast amounts of data but also extracting meaningful insights. This video promises to simplify the process by guiding you through 3 essential steps: cleaning and pre-processing data, utilizing statistical techniques, and visualizing data for insights. By the end, you will be equipped with practical examples in Excel that will make your data analysis both efficient and effective. Step 1. Clean and pre-process data. Why clean and pre-process data? Data cleaning and pre-processing are fundamental to ensure accuracy and reliability in your analysis. Raw data often contains errors, missing values, and inconsistencies that can skew results. Pre-processing involves organizing data into a structured format for easier analysis. Example 1. Handling missing values in Excel. Identify missing data. 1. Open your stock data in Excel. 2. Use the isBlank function to identify missing values. 2. For instance, in cell B2, you can use =isBlank, B2. Fill missing data. 1. Use the fill command to replace missing values with the average of surrounding data. 2. Select the range containing missing values. 3. Go to the Home tab, select Find and Select, then go to Special, choose Blanks, and click OK. 4. Type =average, B1, B3, for the selected cell, adjust as needed, and press Ctrl+Enter to fill all selected blanks with the average. Example 2. Removing duplicates in Excel. Identify duplicates. 1. Select the data range. 2. Go to the Data tab and click on Remove Duplicates. Remove duplicates. 1. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, select the columns that should be checked for duplicates. 2. Click OK, and Excel will remove the duplicate rows, leaving you with a clean dataset. Step 2. Utilize statistical techniques. Why use statistical techniques? Statistical techniques allow you to uncover patterns, trends, and relationships in your data, which are critical for making predictions and informed decisions. They provide a mathematical foundation for evaluating stock performance and market behavior. Example 1. Calculating moving averages in Excel. Simple moving average, SMA. 1. To calculate a 10-day SMA, enter =average, B2, B11, in the cell where you want the SMA to appear, assuming your stock prices are in column B. Exponential moving average, EMMA. 1. Use the formula B2 asterisk, 2, 1 plus N, plus EMMA, yesterday, asterisk, 1, 2, 1 plus N, where N is the number of days. 1. For a 10-day EMMA, use N = 10. Example 2. Performing regression analysis in Excel. Set up data for regression. 1. Ensure you have 2 columns of data, one for the independent variable, e.g., time, and one for the dependent variable, e.g., stock price. Perform regression analysis. 1. Select the Data tab, then Data Analysis, and choose Regression. 2. Define your input Y range, dependent variable, and input X range, independent variable. 3. Check the box for labels if your columns have headers and click OK to perform the regression. Step 3. Visualize data for insights. Why visualize data? Visualizing data helps in understanding complex patterns and relationships that might not be apparent in raw data. Graphs and charts make it easier to interpret trends, compare different data points, and communicate findings effectively. Example 1. Creating a line chart in Excel. Prepare data. 1. Select the range of your data, dates and stock prices. Insert line chart. 1. Go to the Insert tab and select Line Chart. 2. Choose the desired line chart style to visualize stock price trends over time. Example 2. Creating a histogram in Excel. Prepare data for histogram. 1. Organize your data into frequency ranges, bins. Insert histogram. 1. Select the range for your bins and data. 2. Go to the Insert tab, Click on Insert Statistic Chart, and select Histogram. 3. Customize the histogram to display the distribution of stock prices. Conclusion. Analyzing stock data doesn't have to be daunting. By following the steps outlined in this blog, cleaning and pre-processing your data, utilizing statistical techniques, and visualizing your data, you can transform raw stock data into actionable insights. With the practical Excel examples provided, you now have the tools to begin your stock data analysis journey confidently. Happy analyzing!